Areca-Tree Literary Toolbox.
Onomatopoeia Power.
I boom, caught you off guard. The power of this literary device hits hard. See, like it imitates a scream. Onomatopoeias do the mimicking. The sheep went by, you bang on the drums. The dog bark when visitors come. The birds chirping fills the air. I hear the buzzing of the bees, so you better beware. Boom, caught you off guard. The power of this literary device hits hard. See, like clang, crash, thumping pin. Onomatopoeias do the mimicking. The bacon sizzled in the pan. The doorbell ding dong. I heard a hissing sound. They murmured, "What is wrong?" The baby hiccuped after eating food. He made a splash with a belly flop in the boom. Caught you off guard. The power of this literary device hits hard. See, like food pop crunch insane. Onomatopoeias do the mimicking. Onomatopoeias do the mimicking. Keep the reading diamond if they're interested. They are the sounds of the words they imitate, creating vivid pictures in your mind's landscape. Boom! They go very hard. Don't let the onomatopoeia power catch you off guard. Boom! They go very hard. Don't let the onomatopoeia power catch you off guard. They go very hard. Don't let the onomatopoeia power catch you off guard. Don't slip on the power of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Don't trip on the power of onomatopoeia. Don't trip on the power of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Don't trip on the power of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Don't trip on.
Onomatopoeia Power Book available on Amazon. Check out Areca-Tree's other titles: Magnificent, Melvin, the Adjective-Naming King, and Daily Phonics, available on Amazon. Link in the description.